Hello, Chris here from My Stamp Lady. I'm going to show you a couple of products and specials that are available starting tomorrow, January 3rd, 2013, running through January 21st for Valentine's. There are a couple of really awesome specials, so I want to give you a show. First of all, this is the Valentine Treat Bundle, and what I put in here are these little Got Milk chocolate sticks. Fun, easy thing maybe to tuck into somebody's, maybe a Valentine, your child's lunch the day of Valentine's Day, and then they could take it out and make chocolate milk at school. So what the kit includes is this individual stamp right here, and it says Happy Valentine's Day, and one package of 1x8 cellophane bags, which is what I wrapped the little milk stick in. And the cello bags by themselves are $2.50. So when you purchase this bundle, you get the stamp and the cello bags for $5.95, and that's an awesome deal. And you get, does not come, it only comes in the clear mount, so you will need a block of some kind to mount them. Now, you notice my little tag that I tied on. I did use a bit of the Pool Party twine, and I have a piece of paper matted that I cut out with the embossed lit scalloped heart of hearts. Then also this stamp is designed to fit right in the full heart punch, which are all of those products are available online, and you can find my online store through www.mystamplady.com. So that's one bundle. For $5.95 you get the set or the package of the cello bags 1x8 inches and the stamp. The next special that they have right now is called My Little Valentine, and I made a little sample here, and I did use the Curly Label full-size punch to punch out this and stamp the I Little Love You, and this would be a fun note to give to my daughter. She loves getting little notes, and so you untwist that and the little tag comes off, and inside you have a little note paper. So with the kit, and it is $9.95, you get this exclusive 4 stamp set. There's the 4 images, and this is the I Love You image. So you, again, with this set, will also need a clear block. Or if you have a block already, it would work for any block, clear block. And then you also get this Simply Scent Sealed with Love kit. And this kit, I put this one piece together, comes with the little punch out little circles, and that's put right onto the dimensionals, which are included. So you get the one sheet of circles, a sheet of dimensionals, 10 pieces of the red baker's twine. You get the little notes to put inside, and there are 2 styles. There's this one and this one. And then you get the 10 envelopes to go with that. And the envelopes are really easy to just fold and put together. They're already all colored for you. You just put this together like that, put that down, put on your little pieces on the dimensionals that give it height, and then you can wrap your piece of baker's twine around to seal it shut. So this little bundle is only $9.95. You can still get the Sealed with Love little Simply Scent by itself, and that is $7.95. But for $9.95, you also get this stamp set, My Little Valentine, which is exclusive to this deal through my website, www.mystamplady.com. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see my shopping cart, which will bring you to the option for all of these. On the video, I will have the item numbers for these 2 bundles. And of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me at chris@mystamplady.com. Thanks for watching, and have fun getting ready for Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.